8,500 years ago, humans moved from the Paleolithic to the Neolithic. In human history, every scientific and technological invention has marked the opening of a new era. The importance of scientific and technological development and innovation is self-evident. So we name the company Neolithic. We believe we will contribute to the development of mankind through our unremitting efforts, pioneering, and innovative ideas. Neolithic Tech Company Limited was established in 2016, is a professional manufacturer and exporter of protective masks. Protective masks protect our health. Doctor says, "Do care yourself" from Doc brand mask. The production concept of Neolithic's Doc series of protective masks is to protect our lives, to protect the safety. Neolithic is led by a medical master, leading 4 doctors, 3 masters, and 5 overseas students as the core strength, which has been on the road to concentrate on technology and product development only for making high-quality masks. Neolithic has factories in Dongguan and Guangzhou, China, and has been put into operation. Tianjin and Germany to join the factory is under construction. Guangzhou Nansha District Plant area of more than 9,000 square meters, 100,000 purification workshop. There are all kinds of the most advanced mask machines. The daily capacity is more than 4 million, including 30 sets Korea fish type mask machine. The daily capacity is 1.5 million. 80 sets C-fold type mask machine. The daily capacity is 2.4 million. 30 sets cup type mask machine. The daily capacity is 900,000. Fully automatic single chip packaging machine, laser inkjet printer, and other supporting equipment. The products have high efficiency filtration, anti-dust, antibacteria, and antivirus properties.